Today we're going to be going over how to create an online billboard. You simply go to myonlinebillboardcreator.com. This is a free service. You don't have to log in or create anything, but it allows you to create online billboards simultaneously right here. So let's go ahead and pick one. So if you like this one, the first one, they're all different designs. You're going to upload your logo, and there's the heading, and it kind of walks you through this. So right now it says select logo. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select my logo, and then right now it's for the let's just say whatever your heading is. So this is number one billboard, number one company in USA, and you have your description. We help people do this, and etc., etc. Here's your button text, which is your click to action. So you could have learn more or buy now. The website. So if it's a buynow.com. And right down here, you can select your background. So let's go ahead and do that right quick. And upload this. So right now we have this, which is a medium rectangle. This is called a leaderboard ad, which is 728 by 90, and this is 300 by 250. Both of these online billboards works on every internet-enabled device, from computers to laptops to TVs to mobile, smartphones, tablets, everything. Even refrigerators that you can get some of these ads on. And right here, so we just look at it, and so let's say that we don't like the color of the website color. You can go here, and we could change that to blue. Change it to blue, but that doesn't look as good. So we'll just go back to red maybe. So it's right there. You can change the heading color. And then when you're done, you click download image, and then once these downloads, both of them, and you just created 2 online billboards in a matter of seconds. Right there's that one, and then there's this one. Once you're finished, you can head on over to advertise your online billboard, and that is at myonlinebillboard.com, and you can create a free account and advertise across millions of websites, apps, games, all that in less than 3 minutes, and you can make the entire net your billboard. Again, this is how to create an online billboard, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Head on over to myonlinebillboardcreator.com.